Hello, Bonnie Lee here. I'm on Silversea. I'm on the Nova, and today I'm actually able to tour one of the accessible cabins. So I'm going to show you, number one, how large it is, how easy it is to maneuver, and the accessibility of the cabin itself. So, right in this area, of course, you can choose between having twins, or you could actually have a king size. And if you had a king, those tables would be on each side. So now let's take a gander over at the, gosh, what is this? Balcony. Now, when I'm walking up, we've got a ramp. So if your client or you are in a wheelchair, you've got a ramp that's going to take you right up to your patio door that's going to go out on your veranda. And remember, this is a ship that is all suite. The Nova is all suites. They are all outside and they all have a veranda. They all have a butler. All right, so now I'm going to open this, but it's kind of cool. So look down below and see what pops down. I think that's what I want to say. So I'm going to pull this. Okay, we've got something in the way. Well, it didn't pop down, it fell over. How about that? But now it becomes truly accessible for you to step out or to wheel out onto the veranda. And look at the size, plenty of room to actually maneuver yourself out here. We've got two chairs, we've got a couple of footstools and a beautiful table. You've got 24-hour room service on this ship. So you can have that breakfast, that lunch, that evening snack, whatever you look like. We're actually in Skagway, so we've got a lot of helicopters coming and going. Great view from this suite, I will tell you. So when you're in this accessible suite, and we're on deck 7, you have two patio doors. So you're going to have this one and you're going to have that one as well. You've got your full area here. Here's your refrigerator. You've got a TV. Interesting here for the chair to actually be able to go under the writing desk. This does not open. Plenty of place to do your work, lighting. You've got your glasses. You have a bottle of wine. And like I said, here's your fridge. Lots and lots of storage. Great, comfortable couch. Now, remember, I just said TV. You've got this great TV. But if you also will look over here, you have another TV. So you can be laying in bed watching, you can be on the couch watching. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Now let's take a step and look at the storage. These guys pop around. You've got great storage in here. Here's a table. It's actually a tabletop that fits over here. So if you're ordering your in-room dining, it's great. It makes it larger and it's maybe more rectangular with rounded corners. White linen tablecloth, and you're going to so enjoy your breakfast and your dinner. So you've got full hanging ability on both sides here. Here's some halves and halves. Again, more storage, and you have open storage and you have plenty of drawers here at the exact same time. So it's really wonderful. And another desk that can be used. This does not open. Oh, and here's your laundry. If you've got laundry that you want to send out, you just pop it in there, fill out the sheet, and off it goes. Now, the bathroom, of course, bathrooms are so important no matter who or what. But maybe you are looking for a little bit more space. That whole accessible ability is really what you're going to find in this cabin on the Nova. This is so great. Full wheel under. You've got your sink, plenty of storage over here. As you can see, you've got your handles and your pull if something happens and you need help. Wheel-in shower, which is so wonderful. Excuse me. With a handheld wash over here and your rain shower. God, I love the rain showers on these ships. So that is a full walkthrough here. Now, When it comes to getting out, simple, or getting in, either way. On the outside, it's a keypad, and you press here, you give a press, the door pops open for you. This cabin on the Silversea Nova is truly accessible. And when you think about this view and the space, this is a trip you will truly enjoy. Again, those great windows. The sun comes in, Mother Nature comes in. You are brought into the destination with this cabin with no barriers for you. So if you do have any concerns, I think that this will make a perfect trip for you to Alaska or anywhere else in the world that our beautiful Nova with Silversea sails. I hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks for listening.